Welcome to our channel The Easy Concepts, and today we are going to learn a very interesting thing, that is sending a mail. So now you might be confused and thinking what is so interesting about it. So to make you understand this, I have opened my Gmail ID, which you can also do. What you have to do, you will just click on the compose button here, and then you will find out these fields, right? So basically there are three fields. One is recipients field, other is subjects field, and third is body. So in the recipients, you have to provide some email IDs to which you want to send the mail. So I can write this mail ID here, sandeep.unal08 at gmail.com, or maybe some another email ID, my own email ID. So this is about recipients. Then there are two other fields, CC and BCC. If you want to put some email IDs here, you can put the email IDs, but these are also about recipients, and you can put some email ID here. So there are actually four email IDs in front of you, and all these IDs are about recipients. Then there is subject, which tells us about the mail or what mail is about. So I can say sending a mail tutorial, and then it's body of the mail, in which you can write any message if you want to, and then send the mail. Actually you have to write something. Okay, so all the parts you can see, they are all about recipients and the message only. So now I have a question for you. Can you find out any field where you can fill the sender email ID? Like if you want to send this email from the easy concepts, that's okay. But if you want to send this mail from sandeep.unyal, can you mention this email ID somewhere and send it? So answer is no. You can't do so from the Gmail, Yahoo, or any other mail services. So that is basically a hack. If you want to send an email from another email ID which is not yours, that will be a hacking. And if you want to program that thing, you should be knowing about PHP and HTML. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you that thing. I am not going to talk about programming languages here. I am going to show you a ready-made script that is going to perform this task for you. Right? So let's start. So here is the web page, and its address is theeasyconcept.com/hello and /fakemailer.php. So this script I have uploaded to my website. So if you want to see the HTML part of this page, you can go to the view page source and see everything here. But this is not about PHP thing. PHP thing is hidden and it will not be shown here. So I am closing this out, right? So now just see this box, and here if you want to add recipients, I am adding my email ID, and it is asking me for the subjects. So I am writing fake mail here, and here you can write anything you want to write. So here is the message, and that is actually a fake message, or you can say it's a fraud. You also might be receiving some fake mails in your mailbox on day-to-day basis. So always keep that thing in mind and do not respond these kind of mails. So what is important about this box? We have included everything that was available in normal mail, but we have sender's mail here, or sender's name, right? So I can write my name, and then I can write sender's email address. So I am writing my mail address, right? So here is my mail address, another mail address. In recipient I made a mistake. It should be theeasyconcepts at gmail.com. Okay, now it is fine. Whenever I click this send mail, the mail will be sent to theeasyconcept at gmail.com from this sender. You can also change this mail address, and you can also verify this thing on your own. Just go to this website and check it. So I have clicked on send mail. Now I have to wait few minutes or maybe few seconds, and mail will be sent to theeasyconcept at gmail.com. So let's go to the mail and check it out. I am waiting for the mail and refreshing it. Soon I will receive the mail. If you try that script, always check that email IDs are correct. And here you got the mail, fake mail, right? So I will open it now, and here you can see Subject is fake mail. Dear the easy concept, send me 10,000 immediately. I am in urgent need. Please don't call, just Paytm me on this number. Regards, Deepak. And here you can see my name is coming there. My mail ID is also coming there from deepak.unial08@gmail.com, and my profile pic is also coming there, right? So everything is looking great. If you want to reply this mail, you can reply to this mail, and reply will be sent to this sender, right? So now I have a question for you. You have to tell me, how can you identify such mails? Try opening such mails in your laptops and mobiles, and then tell me in comments how can you identify such mails, whether they are fake or not. And here is one more thing that I want to tell you. Please don't use this script to steal anyone's information or harm anyone. This is for fun purpose, so please keep that thing in mind. Okay, so this tutorial is also for awareness purpose. You can also share your incident when you receive such mails, whether you replied to them or not, and what was written in those mails. If you liked my video, please share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. So we'll meet in the next video with some new and interesting concept. Till then, thank you so much.